All right, so Intel presents Dentsu IWM Buzz India Gaming Awards Season 3 just got bigger, better, and of course, hotter, nicer. We can keep adding adjectives because Pile Gaming is over here. She's won a very, very special award, very deserving, of course. Thank you so much. I believe this is the second or the third time that you are coming to the award. You see the award getting bigger and better?
Yeah, like every year you're setting
onwards
the
and
and this is my third award, third year.
how nice.
So every year I'm coming here and getting an award.
It's like a hat trick for you. How nice is that? How nice is that? I want to ask you some quick questions and then we have a rapid fire. What would be your advice to young gamers in college who are competing in grassy sports via IPs like College Rivals by Amp vs DMI?
So I'm working with college rivals from last year, and the concept is pretty unique. They are collaborating with a lot of colleges and bringing up so many new gamers and the rising stars in the gaming industry. So I just want to say that focus on your studies and keep the balance between gaming and studies, because gaming में ऐसा हो जाता है कि जब आप कॉलेज में होते हो आप वो बैलेंस नहीं कर पाते हो एंड यू जस्ट लाइक फोकस ऑन वन थिंग कि यार शायद मैं इसमें अपना करियर बना सकता हूँ, बट दिस इज़ नॉट अ वेरी स्टेबल करियर आई कैन से. सो कीप अ बैलेंस एंड डोंट क्विट योर स्टडीज, सो डू बोथ. And yeah, balance is very important.
दोनों में आग मचा के रखो. That is what it is. Maintain that balance. Brands and gaming, as we all know, are apt when it comes to reaching out to the young target group, right? Do you feel that the industry needs more marketing companies like the Amverse, DMI Pulse to kind of enable such associations even more going forward?
Yeah, I think gaming is pretty huge in India right now and it's still growing. So if I will see, I think in future we will see a lot of brands and more of the investors, I can say. So yeah, मुझे लगता है कि जितने ज़्यादा और ब्रांड्स इसमें आएंगे उनको काफ़ी ज़्यादा ग्रोथ देखने को ही मिलेगी एंड उनका आई थिंक फ़ायदा ही होगा, बिकॉज गेमिंग ऑडियंस काफ़ी एक्टिव है एंड काफ़ी ज़्यादा जो अपनी ऑडियंस को वो सपोर्ट करती है. सो even I'm working with so many brands from past 3-4 years. So yeah, it's a very huge market for the brands.
So everybody is growing together as a community is what I can say. That one childhood game that you really miss the most?
Mario.
Oh, nice. That's sweet memories for everyone. Okay, on social media, according to you, who has the best Instagram handle? I just had someone who said it was your handle, by the way. Sometimes.
Oh, who was that?
I will. You can maybe see that when it's telecast.
I think Snacks Gaming is really into fashion, and my brother Joker is doing pretty well. So they are keeping like fashion and gaming.
Nice balance, huh?
Balance,
We
yeah.
spoke about balance. Okay, the best Instagram bio.
Bio? I haven't focused on any bio.
Fair enough.
Maybe Thug has the best one.
Okay. Okay. Noted. The most entertaining reels किनके होते हैं?
Entertaining is Joker any day.
I love it. Love it. Okay. What has been your cutest fan moment till date?
There are so many actually. मैं जितने भी फैन मीटअप्स पे जाती हूँ लोग मेरे लिए बहुत सारे गिफ्ट्स लेके आते हैं, क्यूट क्यूट चीज़ें करते हैं और कई स्केच बनाते हैं, कई हैंडमेड चीज़ें मेरे लिए गिफ्ट में लेकर आते हैं. सो ऑल माई फैन मोमेंट्स आर वेरी स्पेशल, वेरी क्यूट फॉर मी. आई कांट से एनी पर्टिकुलर वन, but I think last year there was a girl who brought so many gifts for me for like every year, because उसने मुझे बहुत सालों से मेरे स्ट्रीम को ज्वाइन कर रखा है और उसने मेरे हर एक अचीवमेंट के लिए एक एक गिफ्ट बनाया था. That was really sweet and cute.
How nice. Payal, let this be the moment of manifestation. In the next 2 seconds, if you had to make a wish, what would that be? सोचने में दो सेकंड सोचने में
I
लगते
think it's a very tough thing.
Putting you in a spot.
Yeah. But honestly I want to say keep manifesting, because मैंने जितना भी कुछ manifest किया अपनी लाइफ में मुझे सब कुछ मिला है. And recently I got the international recognition as well. I won the mobile streamer of the year. So I think just keep working hard and keep manifesting. आपके destiny में जो भी होगा वो आपको ज़रूर मिलेगा. So yeah.
What an inspiration you are. Second last question would be, is there any adventure sport that you've been wanting to try of late?
Adventurous. I think Red Bull can help me with that because they are into so much like adventurous activities. But I haven't thought of anything. In game तो मैं बहुत कुछ करती रहती हूँ.
Maybe the next time when we do this interview, the next year, तब आप बहुत सारे adventures सोच के आओगे. Okay. Last question would be कि the most I know I would love to ask you this कि a rumor that you would love to start about yourself.
There are already so many, so I don't want more.
Yeah.
I don't want any rumors.
They don't want to create any, right? Okay, so the most interesting conversation over here comes to an end. But of course, you can see her whenever she is into her space, into her gaming arena. Thank you so much. Wish you all the milestones that you have been getting going forward. And I wish you all the best for everything that you do in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the great interview. You're a really sweet person.
Pleasure.
And thank you guys for the award.
My cheeks have turned pink. Thank you so much.